Bastos player from Angres City by the name John Manala. Let's welcome to the Final Fantasy 13 Agito.
Okay, let us invite number 14 by the name of John Manalang, cosplaying Final Fantasy King, Final Fantasy 13 Agito. So, personally, I wasn't that much of a fan of Final Fantasy 13. Would you kindly briefly tell us a short description of your character?
My character is peaceful. Final Fantasy 13 Agito version will be released on this summer, but I want to cosplay it so that I could represent the game itself.
So there is a game. Which platform siya?
In PSP. The other Final Fantasy 13 are on PS3 and PS2.
Okay, so it's a recent game, aside from Final Fantasy Crisis 4.
Yes.
Okay, so what school do you go to?
Holy Angel University.
Okay, Holy Angel University. So, what course are you taking up?
IT, Multimedia Technology.
So, okay. So, how long have you been cosplaying?
About a year.
So, all of your friends are, you guys compete at the same level of, I mean, at the same events?
Yes, laging ganun.
Laging ganun. So, wala naman bad blood sa inyo.
Wala naman.
Beli ka na, be.
Yung competitive, kasi I'm the leader of the anime club.
Okay. So you're the leader. Okay, so sa outfit mo, it looks like pinatahi mo ba talaga siya?
Tapos I just improvised because the previous one, nawala yung tapa ko.
So improvise yung costume mo ngayon.
Yup.
Pero hindi siya halata. Astig ah.
Kasi di ako nag-provide ng picture.
Okay. So, personally, do you collect toys yourself?
Yes, ganda.
Gundam? So, meron din kayong Gundam Club, no?
Hindi naman. That actually, mga apat lang kami gandang enthusiast. Pero, kung ano meron ko, sinashare namin, sige kami.
Okay. So, pagdating natin ng first sem next year, kita-kita tayo doon, magluloko. Naku, maraming lokohan yung gagawin natin doon. Saan? Basta, pare-pareho tayo addict dito eh. Okay. So, would you give us 30 seconds of posing for your character? The stages for the last portion lang. Okay, thank you, contestant number 14. Maraming salamat. We would like to call on all of our contestants to please come up the stage for you to be recognized. Contestant number 1. Here we have Kane of Atrocity, contestant number 1. Would you, we have contestant number 2. One that is well thought. Make a motion. What's that? Contestant number 1, would you kindly make a last pose, like the ultimate pose for your cosplay? Okay, thank you. May we have contestant number 3? Yes, would you mind if you stay here? 5 contestants. Contestant number 3? Would you kindly approach number 4? Contestant number 4. Si number 3 si Garuda. Okay. Make your ultimate pose. May we call on contestant number 5? Contestant number 6? Would you kindly please the audience, cosplayers? Up! We need some little help here. Up! Dire-diretso. Choke? Hindi ba? Baka mawala ka. Baka ba lang sisi? Nope. Turn left. Stop. Go forward. Stop. Turn left. Voice modulator! Hey! Woo! We have contestant number 6. Ay, contestant number 7. Make your pose. Thank you, boss players. Kindly bow to the audience at sa mga judges natin. Okay, sino yung contestant number 3? I like your poster. Hindi pa naubos! Ako na kumain yan para sa'yo.
O yan, siya?
Contestant number 5. Okay, pose tayo, pose. Okay, so salamat mga cosplayers. Doon lang po tayo duman for exit. Thank you.
Ako dito ang dalawa.
You're welcome. Okay. This way. Turn right. Stop. Let's go. Straight. Up. Turn left. Left. Sebastian. Okay. This is not hard. Baka masira yung mechanism niya. Baka magbayad nito. Contestant number 8. Hey, we welcome contestant number 8.
Right, now contestant number 9.
Pose for the camera, contestant number 8.
Now let's go on contestant number 9.
Here we call on contestant number 9. I like to have a double Lolita pose. Wait lang.
And now contestant number 10.
Ano yung maingay? Sige. Go ahead, pose.
At so, Ceci.
Now go on with contestant number 11. And now our contestant number 12. Mona. Next,
Our contestant number 13. The contestant number 13, Naruto. Lastly, we have contestant number 14. So give us one final vote for our cosplay event competition. Let's give them all a round of applause. Can you give a vote, contestant? Maraming salamat doon sa mga mukhang mainit si contestant number 14. And there we have it. While we wait for our winners, the judges will have their break. And